Once the attendance app has been installed and configured, it is ready to be used. The operator will come in and scan in their badge number. System will now determine what options they have. In this case, the only option for Kate Taylor is indeed to clock in. And the system will display a message to say that Kate Taylor has clocked in successfully. It's now ready for somebody else to clock in. Again, the only option is to clock in. And a message is displayed to say that Paul Dawson has clocked in. Kate Taylor now scans in her badge again. The system displays the options. She can either clock out, or she can start her lunch, or she can start her break, or indeed, if she erroneously scanned her badge, she can just cancel and nothing will happen. So if I click on the cancel, it just takes me back for the next person to scan in. If indeed she had wanted to clock out for her lunch, then the same options are displayed, and simply she will click on Start Lunch, and the system says that Kate Taylor started her lunch successfully. When she now comes back from her lunch, she would again scan in her badge, and the only option she has now is to indeed end her lunch, or again to cancel. So I'm going to say she's ended her lunch, and the system displays the fact that she has ended her lunch successfully. Finally, at the end of the day, she'd again scan in her badge, and the system displays the options she can choose. She selects the clock out. This says she has clocked out successfully.